Hello, and welcome to our common questions video about common BMW brakes and symptoms. First, your BMW always talks to you. It gives plenty of warning signs there is something wrong. Some of the warning signs and sounds to observe are grinding, screeching, squealing, rubbing, and other high-pitched noises. For example, high-pitched noises during the braking process means you're dealing with worn-out brake pads and shoes. Continuing to drive causes further damage to your vehicle if left unattended. If you hear any of these noises, bring your BMW to us and we'll take a look at it. Sometimes you won't hear anything, but your BMW might vibrate or pulse while braking. These are also indicators that brakes need to be checked, as it might be connected to rotor issues. Warped or damaged rotors can be costly, so let's have a look at them. When you press on the brake pedal and it goes further or closer to the floor, it might indicate that the beginning of brake pad issues. Why service your brakes at Overseas Motors BMW in Windsor and not some other place? Well, we have an excellent waiting area where we provide massage chairs, newspapers, TV. We also have night drop options, and our technicians are BMW certified. To aid them, we have computerized services histories for your vehicle, so you don't have to waste your time answering the same questions. We have an extensive inventory of genuine BMW parts for all models, including all BMW sedans and X Series, also I Series. We have a state-of-the-art facility in Windsor, Essex with service drive-thrus. We also offer valet service, complete with customer pickup, vehicle servicing, and complimentary car wash. Our comfortable waiting area has kids' play area with Wi-Fi, TV, cold beverages, massage chairs, and snacks. We provide an early bird drop-off shuttle service and loaner or rental cars. When you hear the first thing wrong with your brakes, bring it to us. If you have any questions or concerns, contact us at the number below, and thank you for watching.